and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can create a Google form. So you want to come over to your Google Drive. Once inside your Google Drive, you want to click on New. Once you click on New, you want to click on Google Forms. Now once you click on Google Forms, you're going to be brought to this page over here. Now obviously this Google form, that one was completely blank, meaning I'll have to make an entire one. But for this, we're just going to select one of the templates. Now, as you can see, there is a lot of templates over here, which you can use. I'm just going to do one for a t-shirt sign up. Now, once I press on this, it's going to take me over here. Name. Instead of name, I'm going to do IGN, or otherly known as in-game name, because we're going to make this for, let's just say it's going to be for a gaming competition or whatnot, right? And then over here, there's a t-shirt preview. But instead of the t-shirt preview, we're gonna add another section. This one is gonna be for this, we're gonna write jersey number, right? And over here, they're gonna put their own numbers. And if they have any contradiction between the numbers, that's when we'll come up and fix it for them. But until that, we're not really gonna do anything. So yeah, that's about it. You can also add another question, and then instead of multiple choice, we can just do short answer. Question is gonna be type. I don't really know what question we want to put, but yeah, that's about it. So if you guys want to make your own Google Docs, just do it like this. Then you want to click on send, and then you want to basically collect via email and then just send this to their email. Or you could also just go here, give them this link, and that should also work. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.